Brian.
You literally have to climb a ladder.
I'm trying not to be myself.
This is the most that she's done in like...
Oh, I hurt my leg. Oh, I hurt my knee.
Watch out for the shot!
Your baby's still out of you. Wait, Tyler. CJ, help!
Brian, can you help me? She can't, she's too weak. I'm swimming
I can't stop laughing.
and laughing and peeing her pants. Don't make her laugh.
Tyler, we learn
You ready? Wait, I'm gonna come up.
Tyler, let her try.
Wait, let him go first. Put the baby in first. He just uses her to climb.
He just steps on her.
Excuse me.
Wait, give me the door.
No, you can't hold the door.
Give me it.
Brian, can you help her?
CJ.
Yeah.
Well, you can watch up close.
McKenna, you literally use
No,
your
she
feet in your arms.
Guys, she's exhausted. Ew, you freak of nature.
Oh my god, let's go.
Tyler, what
Hold on, let her get a stare. Put your
Got
foot
it?
on the
Put your
next
foot on
step.
Don't let go. Don't fight.
Come on. McKenna, grab the door. Grab the door. Grab the door. Grab the door. Come the fuck on. Are you serious? You have to use your legs. Dad. No, look at this. Oh my god.
Help me.
Okay, you're staying in the water. We'll see you
Help
later.
her, Brian.
just get some rest for a second, okay?
She wants to get in the fucking water.
She's in the fucking water.
I mean,
So what's up?
Brian, please help her.
Okay, here.
Okay, come on, let's go. Step, step, step.
You gotta
No,
stop,
up,
McKenna.
up, not down, up.
What are you doing? You
It's because the stairs go under, and then it's like you have to reach.
I know, I told you the ladders are hard.
Let him show you how it's
Tyler, show McKenna how to do it.
Oh, I heard white birds fly around when sharks are in the area.
Watch out, Tyler. Okay, now you gotta put your feet on the ladder. Now she cut herself.
Wait, you're stepping oh my god, you're stepping down.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Give her a life vest.
Someone just give her a life vest and let
No, and then you can pull her up by the life vest.
McKenna, why can't you put your feet on the ladder? Tyler, watch out, watch out.
CJ, can you go behind her and push her ass?
Absolutely not. Absolutely.